Quick guide. Replace the Mac Studio 2023 power supply safely. Step 1. Power down. Unplug all cables and wait 60 seconds. Step 2. Remove the 6 bottom Torx screws and keep them in order. Step 3. Lift the cover and disconnect the main board and fan connectors. Step 4. Remove PSU mounting screws and note cable routing. Slide the old power supply out carefully and set it aside. Confirm the replacement matches connectors, voltages, and mounting points before installing. Slide the new power supply into place, routing cables exactly as before. Tighten screws to roughly 1.5 to 2.0 Win mm or snug plus a quarter turn. Reconnect the main board and fan cables, ensure latches are secure, and tidy the routing. Reattach the cover, reinstall external screws, reconnect cables, and plug in power. Power on. Confirm fan spin, LEDs light, and the system boots. If stable, replacement is complete.